TOW fishing. We out here on the Chattahoochee River today. We're gonna get up here and see if we can't catch some big hybrids and stripers, maybe some specks. We'll just have to see. It's a little bit cooler today. I don't know how good you can tell, but the winds are outrageous today. I mean, 16 mile an hour with 33, 35 mile an hour gusts. So we're gonna get out here and fight this wind today and see if we can't catch a couple fish. Hope you enjoyed the video. Come along. There goes one. I think it's a little spot. Hit it on the paws. Yep. Got a little spot. Go ahead and get my pliers out for the day. A little nice one right there though. Going back. There's another one. White bass. I figured they'd be up here running somewhere. Calm down, buddy. I'm gonna let you go, buddy. Calm down, man. Ooh, they're hitting it right there on the paws, man. Let's see what we got. It feels like another white bass. Oh yeah, a little bit better one. That's a better fish. That's a better fish. Don't know if we got a hybrid or a bigger white. They're sitting up there though. It's a little flat up there. Right off a point of oh. What we got? Another white bass. Got him in the bottom though. There he goes. But like I was saying, it's a high spot right here. It comes up to a high spot, then it tapers off, comes out to the river channel. So they're just sitting up there. Actually, you can see some. Well, it's on spot lock, but if it goes back over there, you can see them sitting up there on that little drop off coming off that flat spot. So coming up and getting it. See if we can get up there and get another one. There's another one. Came off. I think there's just a little group of them up there. All these little white bass. Yeah, I figured they'd be up here running though, like I said, so. Come on, Mr. White Bass. I know you want to munch on this jerk bait. Oh, there it goes. Right on cue. Maybe we'll get a big one here in a minute. That's a little tiny guy right there. Oh, buddy, you trying to get me back. There he goes. Another little white bass. There goes one, another one. There goes another one. Let's see what we got. Another little guy. You gotta be careful with these guys right here with this jerkbait, man, because they will get you. Especially the little ones. And don't be like me and use your hands. Use your pliers. Use your pliers. That feels like a better one. But maybe it's hook weird again. Who knows? We might hit a big hybrid here in a minute. They might be mixed in with all these little white bass. This is every cast I'm throwing up there though. I mean, they're just hitting this thing. He's staying down, spinning in circles. Oh yeah, that's the biggest one of the day. That might be a striper. Let's see. No, that ain't a striper. I think that's a hybrid. There he goes. That might be a little striper. I ain't sure. I think that is a striper. A little small one. There he goes. Another small one. I'll tell you one thing. This wind is not playing nice today. We're kind of down here in you know, in the river and whatnot. So we got these high walls here on the side. So it kind of helps a little bit, but I mean, it don't block all the wind. Oh, that feels like a better fish right here. Yeah, he grabbed it with some authority when he grabbed it. Nah, he about the same size as the other ones. Better than them tiny ones though. There he goes. They just coming up off the bottom and smacking this thing. Sitting right on that drop off. Like I said, you got that. Oh, there goes one right there. But yeah, they're sitting off that drop off. Coming up and grabbing it. There's a whole school of them down there. That's a fat one right there. That fish is wide. A little girth on him. There he goes. Got another one on the old underspin. There's a ton of fish up there, man. I mean, catching them on the jerk bait, switch up to the underspin. We got that blade hook again. That little stinger hook. I notice a lot of times these fish, they'll hit that blade. So take that little stinger hook and it sits, I mean, I don't know if you can see it, it sits perfectly inside that blade and it still spins just like it's supposed to. So when they hit that blade, bang, got them with a stinger. Just a little tip right there. It's rough out here today. Got to deal with the wind. They got 4 gates open. But maybe we'll catch a big one. Oh man, I got smoke right here. Here we go. Oh! Come on, I got this cable right here. Gotta get him over this cable. There we go. Got him over the cable. Nice hybrid. Nice hybrid on the underspin. It's a nice one. We're gonna get a weight on it. See what he goes for. Probably 4 or so. 5. These waves. 5. He might be 5. 5'2". Oh. He smoked it. Oh, we got a spot. Got a nice spot. Got another one. Uh-oh. A little better, it feels like. Maybe a white bass or a hybrid. A striper. Oh, scoop him. Get a weight on it. Oh. What we got? Might be another striper. Oh, that's a hybrid. That is a hybrid. A good one too. Scoop him up. Ah, he saw that net. You see? Seen that net? He said, "Oh no, sir." I don't know how good you guys can hear me, but they've been hitting that underspin pretty good. We're gonna try to throw an A rig and see if we can't get a double or triple up. Let's Let's try that out. Oh, one hit it coming up. One hit it coming up off the bottom. I had a backlash, he grabbed it. Look at it. Oh, there he goes. Little spot. Oh, oh, that's a nice spot. Look at them red lips. They're munching on this A-rig. They are munching it. We're gonna get a weight on this one. 215.3. There you go. Another spot. Another spot. Got another nice spot going back. Bloop. There's the spot. Oh. Hey, y'all don't judge me now. I got a fluke on here with a bunch of I don't know if those are Kitech or something else, but it don't match. But that's all I had. So, and that's the one he ate. That spot likes to be different. Fat one, he a football. Let's get a weight on him. He's almost a 3-pounder. 213. I'm gonna let him go. Oh, there you go. Another spot. Y'all mixed in right here. Let him go. He hit it. Got another spot. There's There's another spot. Another spotted bass. Another spotted bass. Oh, there he goes. Man, they really hit this A-rig. It's another, what is that? It's a lighter hybrid one. They really hit this A-rig, man. He hit the middle one. Come on in here, pal. That's a healthy one. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Dude, they're actually destroying this A-rig. Like, they're just on fire on this A-rig. Oh, we got another spot. We done got a few of these today. A couple nice ones, 3-pounders. He got that thing gone. Oh yeah, look, he got that thing. Hold on. He got that thing choked. I'm talking about he was eating it. Healthy one, all footballs, real fat fish. Bloop.